Good morning everybody, and today I am going to tell you about rectangle. And today the formulas which I am going to tell you already known to you, but in the next class the formulas which I am going to give you are the most important and most fantastic formula, and the relationships which I am going to give you in my next video will be very interesting for you. Instead of half page, you can do in a single line. Seriously. After that class, you will say that actually those are the important formulas and important relationships. Okay, so see here. And these are the formulas which you have read in school career. That means in class 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so first of all, what is the meaning of rectangle? See here, so this is the rectangle. That means the opposite sides are equal in length. This length is equal to this length, and this length is equal to this length. Okay, so this is the definition of rectangle. But in case of square, length is equal to breadth. All the four sides are equal. If all the four sides are equal, then we can call it as a square. But here, the opposite sides are equal in length. This length is equal to this length, and this one is equal to this one. And this one is breadth, this one is the length. One of this side will be larger one of this side will be smaller one, and the larger one is generally we call it as length, and the smaller one we call it as breadth. So let it be L and let it be B, and this is the diagonal, and let it be D, diagonal. Okay. So if this is L, this is also L, and if this is B, this is also B. So area of the rectangle, area is length into breadth. That means L into B, L into B. And if area is given and length is given, so how to find out breadth? So breadth is equal to area by length. So B is equal to area by length, and length is equal to area by breadth. Area by breadth. Okay, so now what is the perimeter? Perimeter means the length of the boundary. So what is the total length of the boundary? L plus B plus L plus B. That means 2L plus 2B. So if we take 2 common, that is L plus B. That means twice of length plus breadth. Okay. So what is the diagonal? If length and breadth are given, so what is the diagonal? Length of the diagonal. So apply Pythagoras theorem to this triangle or to this triangle, any triangle. So this is length, this is breadth, and applying the Pythagoras theorem, b square plus l square is equal to d square. That means d square is equal to b square plus l square, and d is equal to square root of this one, b square plus l square. That means length of the diagonal of a rectangle is equal to square of breadth plus square of length, and take the square root of this one. That means square root of square of the breadth plus square of the length. So this is all about the known formula about rectangle. So let us see some examples. If length is equal to 4 and breadth is equal to 3, so what is the area? I have told you area is equal to length into breadth, so length into breadth. So 4 into 3 is equal to 12 square units. If this will be centimeter, this will be centimeter, this will be square centimeter. Okay, so now what is the perimeter? Perimeter is equal to twice of length plus breadth I have given. So 2 into length is 4 plus breadth is 3. So 4 plus 3 it is 7. 7 into 2, 7 2 is 14. 14 any units. If it is given in centimeters, so 14 centimeter. Okay. So now what is the diagonal? Diagonal is equal to length square plus breadth square, take the square root of this one. So length square, that means 4 square it is 16. Breadth square, it is 3 square, it is 9. Take the square root. And 16 plus 9, it is 25. And square root of 25, it is 5. Okay, so diagonal we have got. Now, if the second and third form, for example, if area is given, for example, area is equal to 12 square units, okay, and breadth is equal to 3. So how to find out length? Length is equal to area by breadth. Area by breadth. So area is equal to 12, breadth is equal to 3, so it is equal to 4. Okay, so if length is given, then you can find out breadth in the same way. Okay, so these are the very simple questions, but the most important factor is you should know the division and multiplication. In the exam, it may be, the question may be in decimal, and I have given some videos how to multiply two numbers and how to divide any two numbers quickly. Okay, so you can see those videos. Maximum number of videos I have given on square root, cube root, and how to find out the square of a number, and how to multiply two numbers, any two 3-digit numbers, any two 2-digit numbers I have given. Very quick method I have given. So you can watch those videos. It will be better first see those videos and then you have to solve the problems depending upon these formulas. Many students, they know the formulas very well, but much more time is they are taking while solving those programs. Maximum time they are taking because they do not know how to multiply and how to divide quickly. So first of all, you should know how to multiply, how to divide two numbers, and they may be rational, they may be irrational, they may be decimal, anything. Okay, so knowing those tricks, you can do these problems very quickly because the formula you can remember. Within 5 to 10 minutes, you can remember all these formulas. Okay, so most important factor, see here. Here you have to find out the square root. For example, if length and breadth are given in decimal, it will be very time taking. Okay, so in this case, you have to divide. If the area and length are given in decimal, you have to divide. So that is the problem. If it is not in the decimal, they can do quickly. So, but in the exam, it will be in decimal form. So that is why I am telling you that please do the multiplication, division in case of decimal, rational, irrational, everything, and try to do those questions very quickly. And the most important trick is that if you will do every day, please give 10 minutes for division and multiplication. Do 10 questions on multiplication and 10 questions on division and containing decimal. 13.2 into 14.5, 3.4 into 7.5, like this. First multiply, then check it in the calculator. Okay, do 10 questions every day on multiplication, 10 questions every day on division. So, and check it in the calculator. After some day, 15 to 30 days, you will see, you will be very thorough on division and multiplication. After that, it will become very easy. You will see, mathematics will become very easy after that. Otherwise, it will take too much time, which will be a problem for you. Okay, so thank you for watching my class, and I hope you are doing all the problems. And please, if you are doing all the problems, then please give some comments in the comment box. And maybe you are not doing the problems because there is no comments in the comment box. That means you are not doing, perhaps. So if you are doing, then please give some comments whether you are doing all the problems or not. And if there is any problem, then please ask me. I'll tell you. Okay, so thank you.